Hello people, it is your friend ufoguy here, and we're gonna be doing a second unboxing video for today. Another big thing. Look at this! A monitor. We can guess what's inside the box. No one knows. ASMR style. LED backlight. But where does this monitor come from? It says Lenovo. What kind of monitor this might be? There is only one way to find out. We must open it. How do you open monitors without breaking anything? Oh, there is the good old kitchen knife. Safety first. Safety first. One of these videos is gonna fail really badly. But it's not this one. What might be inside the box? Again, one of these moments, and this is staying on my hand from the previous video. It's getting out. It's out. Don't drop it. We have something in here which we're gonna open in a second. Seems like a pretty bright monitor. Lenovo. It seems exactly even couple of inches bigger than the one I have. What's on the back side? Lenovo HDMI. We have the ports in here, obviously, that you can see. We have the buttons. Nice looking. And this is the stand, obviously, which is the small part that I just got outside of the box. And yeah, this monitor looks amazing. It's pretty big, as you can see. It's full HDMI. But does it come with an HDMI cable is the question. Okay. Hopefully I'm not gonna break it. And do we have the HDMI? What's that? That's the power supply cable. There is something else in here. Power supply cable. The limited warranty book. Very important. We always care about the warranty, guys. Yep. This is the stand. I might say it's some kind of cheap plastic. Not sure. The current monitor that I have has similar plastic, so it's fine. And let's unwrap this thing. Satisfying. I'm definitely gonna put ASMR inside the tags. Okay, so this is the stand. let's put the monitor on the stand. And I have to put a screw. There is a screw already which I have to unscrew and screw it together. So this is how it will look on the stand. Please don't break it. Looks like a pretty neat monitor. And that's... I almost forgot, just noticed that there is another cable for the monitor. Let's open it. It's not the HDMI cable, it's... I don't know how are these called, it's from the old type of cables. But still, it comes with a cable. Don't forget that. And people, this is the last thing that we need for the monitor to run correctly. This is an additional cable that I bought. It's HDMI. As you can see, from here to here, full HDMI. What's the length of this cable? It's 1.5 meters. That's what we got in today's episode. I hope you guys like it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'm gonna put the affiliate link down in the description box if you wish to support me. And I also stream on Twitch, so don't forget to check out my links in the description box. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.